Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if Wi-Fi isn't working on your iPhone 17 Pro. First, let's go through some basic troubleshooting steps, which include toggling airplane mode and your Wi-Fi. To do so, swipe down the control center, then go to this panel, and then turn off your Wi-Fi by tapping the Wi-Fi icon or by switching the toggle in the to the left in the Wi-Fi menu, and then turn it on and wait until your phone is reconnected to the Wi-Fi. Check if this helped, and if it didn't, you can also toggle the airplane mode by going into the same tab and tapping on an airplane mode to turn it on, and then turn it off after a couple of seconds, and then check if your problem is resolved. And if it's not, then try restarting both your iPhone and your router if you have access to it. To restart your iPhone, hold down the power button and volume down key for a couple of seconds until you see these options on your screen. Then swipe the circle to the right and wait until your device is turned off. After that, you're gonna need to hold your finger down on the power button and wait until you see the Apple logo on your phone screen. And once you see it, you can release the power button, but I'm not seeing it right now. Okay, now let's wait. Once your iPhone is restarted, check for the internet connection once again, and if the problem still isn't resolved, then the other solution would be to reset network settings. In order to do so, you have to go to settings, then go to the general section, then scroll all the way down this list, select transfer or reset iPhone, select reset, and then select reset network settings. Once you select this option, your iPhone will reset the settings and then it will restart. But most important part is that you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and by entering the password to it. And also you're gonna have to repair with all your iPhone with all the accessories that you have, like the Bluetooth ones, the headphones, watches that you're using that you use with your phone. So tap reset network settings when you're ready, then enter your passcode if required, and tap reset network settings to confirm, then wait until your device is restarted. And once your iPhone is restarted, swipe down the control center once again, go to your Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to the Wi-Fi that you were connected to. Let me enter the password, and then check if the issue is resolved after your device is reconnected to the Wi-Fi. Now, if this solution didn't help you, then what you can do first is check for any software updates. Of course, you're gonna need some kind of internet connection in order to update a software on your device, but you can use mobile data if you have access to it. So if you have access to your mobile data, go to general section, then go to software update and check if there are any updates available for your device. And if there are any official updates for your device, of course, take your time, download and install them. Besides, if you're using VPN, then you can go to the VPN menu and try disabling the VPN by switching this one and this one toggle to the left, so that they both are colored gray, because VPN also may be causing problems. Then try a different network, so basically just attempt to connect to a different Wi-Fi network to determine if the issue is with your phone or the specific network that you were previously using. And also try connecting to 2.4 gigahertz band network if it's available nearby, because some users have found that issues with the 5 gigahertz band on Wi-Fi routers can affect iPhone. So if you are connected to the 5 gigahertz network, try using 2.4. one. And if nothing helped, nothing I mentioned in this video, however, then the best solution would be to contact your internet provider and ask them if there is an issue on their side. And if there is an issue on their side, you're gonna simply have to wait until it's resolved, so that you can start using your Wi-Fi again. But still, I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.